Number 40 is another prove the identity example. And just like in the other times we have verified identities, we treat each side separate. I label them the right-hand side, the left-hand side, and then write everything in sines and cosines. So for the right-hand side, we have secant squared x. Our fundamental identities tell us that that's 1 over cosine squared x. So we've rewritten this one with cosine instead, and that's the starting point for the right-hand side. Now we'll switch over to the left-hand side and take care of the cosecant and rewrite it using the fundamental identities. Cosecant is 1 over sine, so we're going to have 1 over sine x all over 1 over sine x minus sine x. And now we have extra fractions in the top and bottom. To remove all these fractions, we multiply both the top and the bottom by whatever is in that denominator. Here the sine of x. And we multiply that to both the numerator and the denominator. And then that'll make the denominators cross out here. And then on the denominator, since there are two things, the sine x multiplies to both. And it crosses out the sines, leaving just the 1 on top on that part. And so up on top of the fraction, we're going to have just 1 over 1 minus the sine times the sine gives us a sine squared. And now we recognize this is an identity, and the fundamental identities, that's cosine squared. So now this turns into 1 over cosine squared. And now we see that's exactly what we have on the right-hand side. And so now our identity is verified.